Hey guys, it's me, Chef Shelley Marie, your Ayurvedic coach, and today we made coconut milk rice pudding. It's one of my favorites. It has cinnamon, ginger, all known to be detoxifying and aid with digestion. And then we have the coconut, which is going to be nourishing to the nervous system. And it also helps absorb all the key vitamins A, D, K, and E, all known for being good for the brain. And we're going to have that with this delicious rice creamy dessert. Sometimes I have it for breakfast. And you can find this recipe on balancemylife.com, and hopefully you enjoy it as much as I do.